Michael Lobo.
Speaker sir, fear in the minds of the people of Goa with regards to robbery, thefts, dacoities, chain snatching, breaking of donation boxes in the temples, which are happening in the different areas of the state. Speaker sir, recently there was an incident where Lingabad Devasthan donation box was robbed, and the next day, same within 100 meters, there was an attempted dacoity by 4 masked robbers who came from outside the state with a MH vehicle. The same dacoity took place one day before in Nuve. Same people came to Parra. Again they went to Nuve and robbed again. म्हणजे अशें हे plan करून येता in the state of Goa. They try to rob people's houses when they go for weddings. Speaker sir, when they go for churches or temples or wherever there are functions and the houses are locked. Earlier there was a lot of constables moving on the motorcycles. There are shortage of motorcycles, Speaker sir. Mapsa police station has got only 2 and 1 is broken down. Kalangut police station has only 1. Anjuna police station does not have a 2-wheeler motorcycle. So I am requesting Honorable Chief Minister that patrolling by police constables, otherwise they are in the police station only, काम काय करीना ते. So तेंका दोनोच vehicle हा, एक police inspector हा आणि एक 100 vehicle, that is control room vehicle. So motorcycles which were given earlier should be immediately purchased by the Home Department and given to all the coastal belt police station, including the town and city. Yeah, shortage ason, police constables are not patrolling at night. Police inspector has got no control. I am requesting the Honorable Chief Minister to look into the matter on top priority.
Speaker sir, आम्ही आता मोटरसायकल घेवपाचे डिसिजन घेता आणि कलंगूट आरपोरा त्याच्या पोलीस स्टेशन जो मोटरसायकल दिवपाक जाय इन्क्लुडिंग बाकीच्या
पेट्रोलिंग जायना
मोटरसायकल जे आपण पेट्रोलिंग करपा खातीर तो दिता